Hello there. So this afternoon, well, actually for this week, I'm making squash with shrimp. There's the beetroot, red beetroot. Okay, so it got mixed up. Well, anyway, and this is the skin for this. And this is bitter melon with lots of onions. And I have swai fish right here. All right, well, you guys take care. And let me know if you have any, good lunch and dinner recipes that it does not involve too much cheese, too much fat, not too much frying, those kind of things. All right, well, you guys take care.